Chandler's got white toes, probably frost nip, so we've got to get him warmed up quick before it turns into frostbite.
Unfortunately for Chandler, Mother Nature had another surprise waiting for us.
Anyone want to shave their head and leave?
I'm really thinking about
Well, too bad, because the pilot just said that it's too snowy. He can't fly.
Yeah, hang in there. Play it safe today, guys.
So you're telling me the worst day of the challenge so far is the only day so far that we can't evacuate?
What I'm telling you is the days where you're most likely to get hurt are the days the plane can't come.